Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the channel Scenic Journeys. Today we are traveling to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. El Arco de Cabo San Lucas, a natural rock formation and iconic landmark at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula. El Arco de Cabo San Lucas, also known as Land's End, is a stunning natural rock formation at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula. Take a boat tour to get up close to El Arco. Many local operators offer boat trips that take you around the arch, providing great photo opportunities. The waters around El Arco are rich in marine life. Join a snorkeling or diving excursion to explore the underwater wonders and see colorful fish and maybe even sea lions. Rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the waters around El Arco at your own pace. It's a great way to enjoy the scenery and get some exercise. The breathtaking views of the arch, illuminated by the setting sun, are truly unforgettable. El Arco is a photographer's paradise. Near El Arco, you'll find a colony of sea lions. Some boat tours may take you closer to observe these playful creatures. While most activities involve being on the water, you can also appreciate the beauty of El Arco from the shore. There are viewpoints along the coast that offer fantastic views of the arch. Cabo Pulmo National Park. If you're interested in marine life and snorkeling, this marine reserve is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has a rich diversity of marine species. Cabo Pulmo is renowned for its rich marine biodiversity. It is home to one of the oldest and most successful coral reefs on the western coast of North America. The coral reef system supports a wide variety of marine life, including colorful coral formations, tropical fish, rays, and sharks. Cabo Pulmo is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its significant contribution to marine conservation. The park has played a crucial role in the recovery of marine populations and the preservation of the unique underwater ecosystem. The clear waters of Cabo Pulmo make it an ideal destination for snorkeling and diving. Snorkelers and divers can explore the vibrant coral reefs and encounter a diverse array of marine species. The park is suitable for both beginners and experienced divers. Cabo Pulmo National Park is a designated marine protected area, ensuring the conservation of its ecosystems. Over the years, the marine life in Cabo Pulmo has rebounded, showcasing the positive impact that responsible conservation measures can have on fragile ecosystems. The park has visitor centers that provide information about the marine life, conservation efforts, and guidelines for responsible tourism. Visitors are encouraged to follow sustainable practices to minimize their impact on the environment. Before planning a visit to Cabo Pulmo National Park, it's important to check for any entry requirements, regulations, and guidelines set by the park authorities. Additionally, consider using eco-friendly practices to contribute to the ongoing conservation efforts in the area. 3. Todos Santos. Todos Santos is a town located on the Pacific coast of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula. It is part of the municipality of La Paz in the state of Baja California Sur. Enjoy the beautiful beaches around Todos Santos. Playa Los Cerritos is popular for surfing, while Playa Las Palmas and Playa La Poza offer a more relaxed atmosphere. Visit the iconic Hotel California, which has gained fame from the Eagles' song. While the song's connection is disputed, the hotel itself is a historic and interesting place to explore. Check if there are any cultural events or festivals happening during your visit. Todos Santos often hosts events celebrating music, art, and local traditions. Explore the natural beauty of the surrounding areas. Seafood is a popular choice, given the proximity to the ocean. Todos Santos has become a hub for wellness activities. Join a yoga class or wellness retreat to relax and rejuvenate. Consider taking a day trip to the nearby city of La Paz, where you can explore more beaches, visit the Malecon, boardwalk, and experience the local culture. 4. San Jose del Cabo. The neighboring town to Cabo San Lucas, known for its art scene, historic architecture, and the Thursday night art walk. San Jose del Cabo, located at the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula. It's a great place to relax, people watch, and maybe catch a local event or performance. Admire the Church of San Jose, a colonial-era church located near Plaza Mijares. The church's architecture and history make it a notable landmark. If you're visiting between November and June, participate in the weekly art walks that take place every Thursday evening. Galleries in the art district open their doors to showcase local and international artists' works. Enjoy the beautiful beaches in the area. Playa Hotelera and Playa Costa Azul are popular choices for sunbathing, swimming, and water activities. San Jose del Cabo is home to several world-class golf courses. If you're a golf enthusiast, consider playing around at one of the scenic courses in the region. Visit the marina area, Puerto Los Cabos, where you can find restaurants, shops, and the opportunity to book various water-based activities such as fishing charters. Indulge in the local culinary scene. San Jose del Cabo offers a range of dining options, from seafood to traditional Mexican dishes. Explore local markets to sample authentic flavors. 5. Whale watching tours. Depending on the season, you can take a boat tour to witness the migration of whales, especially humpback and gray whales. The waters around Baja California Sur are known for whale migration. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable adventure through beautiful Cabo San Lucas, and until next time, keep exploring. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Scenic Journeys for more exciting content.